I don't want to tell anything, just please watch the video and please share more and more. This is a 100 voltage and 10,000 MFD capacitor. But this capacitor is not like 10,000 MFD, the charging voltage is so poor. At first, I thought that the capacitor may be damaged, but I check all capacitor are the same problem. Low charging capacity. For this, I decided to open and check that what have inside the capacitor. Let's go to open and check what's have inside this capacitor. We can see inside a small capacitor. It's so nice business policy. But the company don't care about all technician. Here people blame us for the bad quality.